Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a terrarium. This is a simple and fun winter project that the whole family can enjoy. Terrariums have become super popular over the last few years, and it's no wonder. They are simple and fun to create, easy to care for, and add lush decorative interest to your indoor space. These whimsical terrariums come in many shapes, sizes, and styles, giving you the creative freedom to make something that you love. The first step is to choose a plastic or glass container with no holes in the bottom. Mine here is a glass bubble bowl with an opening at the top. However, some terrariums are closed at the top. An open terrarium like this is great for plants that prefer circulating air in a more arid environment, like cacti, succulents, and air plants. A closed terrarium works well for plants that thrive in a closed space with more moisture, like baby ferns and cryptanthus. Once you have your container, the next few steps are kind of like building a house. You want to create a sturdy foundation for your plants to thrive. So we're going to fill in a few layers from the bottom up. Now, the first layer is a drainage layer, and I'm using pebbles. So these help to drain and store excess moisture. So go ahead and just add this to the bottom of your container, maybe a little loud, about an inch or an inch and a half. Perfect. Spread them out. There you go. Layer one is complete. Next, we're going to add a layer of charcoal. Now, this one is important because it helps to absorb any toxins that might impact the health of your plants or odors that may build up in the terrarium. So simply add a layer of the charcoal right on top of the pebbles and make sure it covers completely. And then you can kind of flatten it out just like that. After the charcoal, I'm going to add a layer of sphagnum moss. Now, this moss helps to absorb the excess moisture between the pebbles and charcoal and the soil layer. So simply grab a layer like this. This is pretty messy, but it's an important layer to add here. And kind of spread it out and place it just like that right on top of the charcoal. So it's a nice little barrier. Okay, so now that we have our bottom layers in place, let's get to the fun part. Now, the next layer is going to be your soil, and this will be the base in which your plants live. So cactus and succulent soil like this is great. Add in a layer and place your plants where you'd like them to go. Now, consider the angle in which the terrarium will be viewed to decide how you want to arrange your plants. And like I mentioned before, your choices may vary depending on which container you use. Now, I've got a mix of succulents and ivy here. So go ahead and place your plants in and add more soil as you go, kind of packing in around them. Okay, so the plants are in place and now it's time to decorate. So have fun with this part. You can use interesting rocks, pebbles, decorative colored moss, Zen decorations, and more. Just get creative. I found this really cool moss at English Garden, so it's all different colors, and I love this bright lime green color and the purple. And then I also have some really pretty colored pebbles that I'm gonna try to use as well. So I'm gonna start off with this moss here, and the way I put my plants kind of made for a little pathway. So I'm gonna make a little moss pathway for this. And sometimes having a spoon on hand or something is helpful for pressing these little details in, making sure everything is secure. And then I think what I'm going to do next is I just love this purple and this other natural one, so I'm going to try to add in a few pieces of that as well. Looks awesome. And finally, a few important terrarium care tips. Be sure to place your terrarium in a location where it will receive indirect sunlight. And water when the soil is dry to the touch. The goal is to wet the soil, but not saturate the layers of rocks or charcoal. English Gardens has everything you need to create a beautiful terrarium of your own. Plus, even more products to bring a little happiness into your home. For products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. See you later. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.